Continuing a theme on southern US cooking, what we have today is a shrimp po' boil. So we have some shrimp here that I have coated in flour and Creole seasoning with some salt. This is a remoulade with mayonnaise, Creole seasoning, a little bit of green onions, mustard, and mixed it together, kept it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then we have a French bread here. I've cut it into half, and we'll take out the middle portion of this just to create a hollow. So this is a sandwich, and this hollow will put the lettuce, tomato and the shrimp in here with some tomatoes, and then cut it into pieces and serve it. So the first thing that we want to do is fry the shrimp. Let's start cooking. Normally the shrimp is deep fried, but we won't deep fry this, we'll shallow fry it. Let the oil come up to temperature. The oil is hot, so we'll put the shrimp in. I don't want to put the excess flour. We'll fry it on high till the outside is golden. I turn this over. The shrimp is fried, it's crispy, so we are ready to assemble. So what we will do is we'll put a little bit of remoulade at the bottom of this. And on the top side of this as well. And then we'll put the lettuce, we salted this lettuce a little bit. I like a lot of lettuce. If you don't use so much, it's up to you. That's it. And then we'll put the tomatoes in. So again, it's I've salted it. and then we'll add the shrimp on the top. So this is about a pound of shrimp, a little bit more. So we'll pile it high. We'll add a little bit of the remoulade on top of the shrimp. And then to top it off, we'll put the lid on top of this. And just press it down a little bit. Now that's the shrimp po' boy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit and see you tomorrow.